So now let's have a look at the mapping feature. So if I click on Project Map here, and we open up into an overview map which is centered on the area where I've got some data in, and zooming in a bit I can actually start to see the detail of where those areas are, and this is based on Warminster, where our office is based. So we can see these different pins, and by clicking on the pins we can get up the number of listening matters forms, so how many listings have we done, who's actually visited in terms of the animators, and the top 5 loves, top 5 concerns, and the promises made for those areas. And so if we look at this postcode where we have 2 entries, we can see that jointly there's 2 counts of family is something that they love about the area. We can see their concerns, which are a bit different, and the promises that those people have made. So 2 potential customer clients for local projects, a voter, someone who wants to meet with others, and 2 potential volunteers. Now if we want to see who that actually is, we've got this people tab here which we can click on, and that then shows us the names, and it will list down all the people who make up that postcode. So if we click on them individually, so we can see Joanna Blogs here, we can see her address, her phone number, email address for following her up, any notes, and we'll look at a bit later how to add those into people, and when she was created on the system, when her listening was actually put in. We've also, if we click on here, it will download a PDF which we can bring up, and this actually brings up her listening, basically all the details of everything she said in the common format that we actually go and ask out in the paper copy. And this is really good as a backup for the physical paper copies, and also if you need to remind yourself of what that person said. And again, if we click on Paul here, we can see that actually his listening was on the 7th. We can bring up his form here if we need to. So again, just download it there, bring up the PDF, and we can see his pledges. We can see when the listening took place and everything that he said in those freeform text boxes. And again, the pledges that he's made down the bottom. So that's the mapping software, a really powerful tool for being able to visualize all the data together, and you can go right down to the postcode level to see what sort of things are really important to those people on a local level. And we click the cross there and we're back to our main screen.